Ollantaytambo, a site that serves as both a magnificent fortress and a profound archaeological enigma. While the Incan Empire is celebrated for its administrative genius and vast road networks, Ollantaytambo stands as a primary witness to their nearly inexplicable masonry skills. At the heart of this site's mystery are the Piedras Cansadas, or tired stones, enormous granite blocks that tell a story of monumental ambition and a construction project frozen in time. The architectural centerpiece of Ollantaytambo is the Temple of the Sun, situated atop a steep hill overlooking the town. What makes this structure baffling is the origin of its stones. The massive pink granite blocks used for the temple were not quarried from the hill itself. Instead, they were sourced from the Vilcanota quarry, located nearly 4 miles away on the opposite side of the valley. The logistical journey required to transport these stones is staggering. First, the Inca had to move blocks weighing upwards of 50 tons down a steep mountainside from the quarry. Then, they had to navigate these monoliths across the wide and turbulent Vilcanota River. Finally, the stones had to be hauled up the steep inclines of the temple hill to their final resting place. All of this was achieved without the use of the wheel, iron tools, or large draft animals like horses or oxen. The tired stones, a glimpse into the past. Scattered along the path between the quarry and the temple are dozens of massive blocks that never reached their destination. These are the Piedras Cansadas. According to local folklore, these stones grew tired and refused to move any further, leading the Inca to abandon them where they lay. To archaeologists, however, these stones are far more than folklore. They are a frozen blueprint of Incan engineering. They offer a rare look at the transition from raw mountain rock to finished architectural marvel. Some stones are roughly hewn, while others are partially polished, showing the stages of refinement. Their presence along the route suggests that the construction of Ollantaytambo was an ongoing, massive operation that was abruptly halted, likely due to the arrival of the Spanish conquistadors or internal Incan civil wars. The technical methods used to move the stones remain a subject of intense debate. Modern researchers, such as Jean-Pierre have spent years attempting to replicate Incan techniques. It is believed that the Inca used a combination of paved slides, slopes covered in smooth river cobbles, and possibly lubricated with clay to reduce friction. To cross the Vilcanota River, engineers likely diverted the water flow into multiple channels, allowing the workers to drag the stones across the riverbed during the dry season. Once at the base of the fortress, thousands of workers would have used massive hemp ropes and wooden levers to inch the blocks up the ramps. The precision with which these blocks were then fitted together is equally stunning. The wall of the 6 monoliths at the Sun Temple features joints so tight that a razor blade cannot fit between the stones, despite their irregular shapes. The tired stones of Ollantaytambo serve as a silent tribute to the sheer will of the Incan people. They challenge our modern assumptions about the limitations of primitive technology. To the Inca, the stones were likely seen as living entities, part of a sacred landscape they were reshaping to honor their gods. Today, Ollantaytambo remains one of the few Incan sites where the original town layout is still inhabited. Visitors walking its narrow streets can look up at the tired stones resting on the slopes and feel the weight of a history that was interrupted. These abandoned monoliths remain a powerful symbol of a civilization that moved mountains, leaving behind a riddle in stone that continues to captivate the world.